Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove scar using healing brush tool. All right, so this will be our final episode on how to remove scars, because the first episode and the second episode of this series I was able to take you through how to use spot healing brush tool to remove the scars, which was the second episode, and the first episode was how to remove scars using patch tool. So I was able to show you how to remove scar using patch tool, and equally show you how to remove scar using your healing brush tool. So your healing brush tool can be located right in the left corner of your screen. Okay, so when you look at the left corner of your screen right here, so this is your healing brush. So I made a video on how you can use this to remove scar. I equally made a video on how you can use this third one, the patch tool, to remove scar. So this will be our final episode on how to remove scar. So we are going to use healing brush tool today to remove scar. So we are going to change from this. So this is before. As you can see, if you look closely over here, you can see scar. So now this is after the process. So there is no scar on her face. So this is before and this is after. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and on this channel I take you through step-by-step tutorial both on CorelDRAW and Photoshop. So if you don't want to miss any of my future content, kindly subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the notification bell. And without any further ado, let's jump into this. So I'm going to delete this, so I'll right click on this and delete this. So now we'll leave the original copy. So this is the original copy, okay, which we have the scar over here. So now what you are going to do is to duplicate this layer. Okay, so either you drag and drop over here, that's this second to the last one, you drag and drop to have a duplicate, or you right click on it and then you will see duplicate layer, you click on it. So once you have your duplicate layer dialog box, so you can either rename this. If you want to leave it like that, is fine, but I prefer to rename it to healing brush. All right, and just type it healing brush tool, something like this, and press OK. So this is it. So now I will turn off this and then I will turn on this. So this one is highlighted, it means that we are working with this. All right, so the next thing you are going to do, you come to the left hand side like I told you and locate your healing brush tool. Your healing brush tool is over here. So if you can't find it here, all you need to do, right click on it, so this option will come up. All right, so once you see this option, your healing brush tool is the second one. All right, the first one is spot healing brush tool. I made a video on how to use that, so I can't go into that anymore. So I equally made a video on how to use patch tool. So we are using healing brush tool, the second one. So you click on it and then you come here and adjust the brush size. Okay, this is your brush size. So either you increase it, okay, as you can see it's very big, so we don't want this. So I'm going to decrease, maybe 20 is fine. So as you can see, 20, this is 20. So the hardness can be 7. Okay, the spacing doesn't really matter, just leave it like that. And we are working on the current layer, so this is fine. Sample. So now once you have it all set up like this, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to press your Alt key on the keyboard. Okay, Alt key on the keyboard is what you are going to press. Look for Alt key, ALT key on your keyboard. Just press. Once I press the Alt key, you will see that this brush will change. So as you can see, the brush has changed. You can see this is the brush. So now we are going to sample from the good area and then brush on the scar. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to take the color of this good area and close up the scar, all right, with the same color. All right, so let's do it. So I'm going to click here because I want to sample from this area. I will click here, then release my hand from the Alt, so you can see the brush is back. So you now use it to brush this scar area just like this. All right, so then you wait for it to close up. So it's not doing very well. You click again, just to close it. So you can go ahead and take another portion from any clean area. You are not comfortable with the one you did, So you use another clean area to clean up and close up the scar area, just like this. So I'm going to take it from here and close this portion like that. All right, so I'm taking from here and I'll close this portion. So I'll press my Alt key, I'll take it from, let's take it from down here to close this other area like this. All right, okay. So if you are not comfortable with it, continue the process until you have the results you want. But we are done. So if you look closely, you can see that we were able to remove the scar. Okay, so I'm going to turn on this. This is the original one, so I'll click on it. So now this is before. This is, you can see the scar. So this is before. All right, look at the scar. So this is after you might have applied the healing brush tool. So you can see the scar is no longer there. So this is before with the scar. This is after you might have applied the healing brush tool on it. So that brings us to the end of this episode on how to remove scar, and I appreciate you for watching the videos. And of course, if you haven't seen the first episode and the second episode, kindly go to my channel and look for the video and watch both the spot healing brush episode and of course the patch tool episode. You are going to learn a lot. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section. I will be very happy to respond. Thank you for staying to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.